This is the EPOMAKER Galaxy 68 Quantum Mechanical Keyboard, the stunning keyboard ever. In today's video, we are going to take a look at this beautiful keyboard that is stylish and ergonomic. Now let's start by unboxing the keyboard. This is the package you get to see when you place the order. A big thanks to EPOMAKER for sending me this keyboard for a review. Opening the box, you will find the keyboard itself and it's absolutely next level. Along with it, you get user manual with detailed instructions and USB dongle. I recommend going through the manual for proper setup. You will also get USB Type-C to Type-A USB cable for wide connection, a keycap puller, and few spare switches. These tools are very handy if you ever want to change the keycaps or swap out the switches. The Galaxy 68 comes in two color variants, black and white. So we have the white variant, also known as black-white. Now let's talk about the aesthetics of this keyboard. The design is clean and elegant. Now one thing you will notice right away is that the number keys are slightly raised towards the top. This helps you easily differentiate between the character and numeric keys while tapping. It might feel unusual at first, but you will get used to it over the time. When you lift the keyboard, you will notice it's very heavier than traditional keyboards. That's because it's built with premium metallic aluminum. This keyboard comes with a massive 6000 mAh built-in battery. You can charge it via the USB Type-C port and the battery life is impressive. It can easily last up to 20 days on a single charge, even with around 7 hours of daily usage. On the top of the keyboard, you will find the connectivity ports. It supports 3 connection modes: wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless with a 1000 Hz polling rate for ultra-low latency. For example, you can plug the included USB dongle into your computer and switch the keyboard to on mode for smooth, lag-free wireless performance. Along with that, you can connect a USB-C cable to use it in a wide mode. This also charges the keyboard while you are using it. At the back of the keyboard, you won't find flip-out legs, which is kind of bummer, but honestly, it doesn't affect the typing experience. You will also spot some LED indicators at the back, which looks really cool. Now let's talk about the features. The Galaxy 68 keyboard comes with dynamic RGB backlighting, a glowing logo light, and side lights that make it look stunning on any desk. On the top right of the keyboard, you will find a premium knob or slider that controls the volume by default. The best part is that this knob is fully programmable, so you can set any action or function to it based on your preferences. Now let's see that in action. Since Galaxy 68 is quantum compatible keyboard, which means you can fully customize each key to perform any action you want. To get started, head over to this first link and download VIA software for your operating system. Once downloaded, install the software. Then go to the second link and download the Galaxy 68 JSON file. After that, open VIA and make sure your keyboard is connected via the USB-C port. Inside VIA, go to Settings and change the render mode to 3D. Next, click on Design, disable the current layout option, and import the JSON file you just downloaded. Now go to Configuration page and click Authorize Device, and voila, your keyboard should appear over here. Now from here, you can select any key and set any action you like. For example, let's configure the knob behavior. Now simply click the knob to highlight it, then set any preferred actions. While rotating the knob clockwise, I will assign it to increase the volume, and when rotating counterclockwise, I will decrease the volume. When pressing the knob in the center, I will assign the mute action. I will leave a link to all the QMK key codes. You can use it to configure your setup even further. Likewise, you can configure any key and set it to perform any function you want. It's super cool, and you need to be very careful before making major changes. Now let's talk about the typing experience. Now this keyboard uses a gasket-mounted design which delivers a soft, cushioned, and slightly flexible feel. Now this makes it super comfortable for long typing sessions. Now let's talk about switches. Now these are factory-looped mechanical switches which offers smoother keystrokes and a nice talky sound profile. So whether you are a software engineer, a writer, or Linux user, you are going to love the smooth consistency typing experience. Now this keyboard comes with the tools to be used to replace the keycaps and switches. You will find two tools in the box, a keycap puller and extra switches. Now let's do a quick demo. I will use the keycap puller to gently remove a keycap and use the other end of the tool to pull out the switch. Now replacing the switch is really simple. Just align it and push it back in. Now this swappable feature makes the customization very easy. And that's pretty much it about the Galaxy 68 keyboard. If you're looking for a keyboard that's elegant, feature-packed, and great for long hours of typing, this one is worth of trying. So what do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK. I will see you in the next one.